So I met Debbie at a coffee shop, a local coffee shop, which is where I went to when I was writing and doing some of my work for other authors.
I was looking for a publisher for just a personal cookbook, and I was banging my head against walls. Doors were closing and I'd almost given up, but she kind of took me under her arm, directed me in the right direction, and then edited the book to where it was printable and made something I just thought was going to be a dream come to happen.
We would chat. I really enjoyed the conversation, and when I told her that I get to work with authors all over the US and beyond, kind of bringing their books to life and marketing it to those who really need the books, her eyes got so big and she goes, "You have no idea, Stephanie, but I need to write a book and it's on my bucket list."
She was very easy to do business with, and she was very helpful all along the way, and everything is going well. My sales are going well. Looking at possibly doing a second book since we've overcome a lot of obstacles that we didn't know about in the first book.
So we were able to work together to create these beautiful stories in a way that's really meaningful to the person who's reading it. And I helped her through the editing process, helped her find the right publisher, helped her even figure out how to take the best photos for the cookbook, because that's important in a cookbook. And I have to say, it gave me so much joy to be able to see this bucket list item come to life and to be a part of that with her.
You need to get with someone like Stephanie that can direct you and show you the right ways, because before I met her, I did a lot of unnecessary work that took hours and hours and hours.
When Debbie and I started working together, I realized she's not very different than many other authors out there who have this passion to bring a message to life, whether that's a cookbook, a nonfiction book, or anywhere in between. They don't always know what the next right step is. And finding somebody that you can collaborate with who has been there and is a few steps ahead of you can kind of help move away any of those hurdles that you could find yourself up against that could impact your turnaround time or the quality or just the right questions to ask. I found that as a really big benefit for Debbie in the development of her cookbook and many other authors as they bring their books to life. That's something that the emPower PR group and myself can help with.